our bush regeneration contractors working on a monthly basis here at Willoughby Park. This is one of the areas that they're helping to maintain. And there's a bit of a mixture. We've got some larger remnant trees here, and you'll see there's some range of ground covers and different grasses. So some of this is like original kind of remnant vegetation that has always been here and somehow survived all the development and degradation. So the bush regenerators, they might come in here and they might be doing hand weeding, they might be doing a little bit of spraying. There's a range of different techniques that they use to control the weeds and to try to encourage the native plants to regenerate. So there's a bit of a mixture here. In the past this might have been augmented with planting, but we always have a focus on regeneration first. And replanting sort of done as a last resort in the most degraded areas where we're not expecting that to happen. There's also a recently revegetated area just behind us here at the entry of Cottonwood Crescent. So they've used a variety of locally indigenous grasses and ground covers. So they wanted to keep it fairly open so that people don't get frightened. They've got a line of sight to the roadway, but also to kind of have that connection with the bushland corridor using the species that would have been here originally. So this looks to be pretty well maintained. Sometimes we have issues if local community are concerned about different aspects of these sort of projects. We will hear about it, but this I think worked pretty well and it's a bit of an improvement for the park. It's a point of interest here in one of the eucalypts here. We've got a very large termite mound. That's an arboreal termite mound. I think it's Misutatumi's walkeri is the species of termite. And interestingly, we've had a bit of an issue along this bushland corridor with termites. Now they are a natural thing. They're really great job for us here in the park, helping to break down lots of timber and fallen branches and whatnot. But we've probably had more termite activity here than in most areas, to the point where it's actually causing a significant impact on some of the major trees. This is an important bushland corridor because it runs from south to north. So the Shrimptons Creek here flows down through under the Macquarie Shopping Centre and onto the Ryde River. But it's interesting because I think the prevailing wind conditions from the south to the north have actually helped these termites along and encourage their spread. So it's a bit of a difficult one because it's a natural process. But we've had to remove quite a large number of significant trees from the reserve and prune them because there's been a lot of dead branches and dead timber and they had sort of structural issues.